With the recent corseting trends, interfacing is a way of giving stability to any fabric pieces. And how do you interface? You can go ahead to get different kind of interface. There are different kind of interface in the market. This is a paper stay, and this one I'm holding right here is called hair stay. So you can go ahead depending on what you want. This gives the fabric feel, and this is really lighter than the previous one. So depending on the level of stability you want, go ahead to choose the right interfacing in the market. What do you want to do? You want to lay over all your pieces on the table just like this. Then you will lay over your interfacing right on top of all your fabric pieces. So by the time you lay it over, it should look a lot like this. Okay, ensure that all your pieces are straight on the table. Now lay over the interfacing on them just as you have seen me done right now, and then begin to steam press all those pieces. Steaming needs will help you to stick to the pieces. Remember that one side of the interfacing usually have the adhesive, and the other side that also have the adhesive is the smooth side. So ensure that your pieces are facing those sides that comes with the adhesive. Okay, so go ahead and press everything with your steam iron so that it is quicker to stick on the stay that you're using. All right, and once you have been able to press and stick everything over it like this, then you are sure that your pieces and the stay is now stabilized. So this stay will help to stabilize all your pieces together with the heat that comes from your iron. So that's just how this technique works. I enjoy this technique because it is faster than me doing it like cutting each pieces, then cutting each interfacing, then pressing each interfacing to it. This method is really effective and is really fast. Okay, so once you are done sticking every piece like this with your iron, then you can now go ahead to like lift up all of those. You can see that this has already stuck to my pieces, has already stuck to the stay. All right, so and then you just go ahead to just flip it to the right side and just ensure that everything is properly in place. The next thing you're going to do, you're just simply going to start cutting out all of the pieces that you have actually glued to the adhesive that is now stabilized. Okay, so I'm going to be taking out all those parts that the fabric did not get to, because I won't want this adding to my allowance or dimensions of the pieces that I already cut on my pattern. So I'm just going to be cutting everything out like one after the other. Be patient with this process. Like I said, this is a method that is even faster than you cutting it and then adding the interfacing one. Okay, so just cut out all of the excess, cut them off, because you simply don't need all of those excesses. And when you have all your pieces cut out, you should look a lot like this. So take a look at what I have here. These are all the pieces that I need. So now you can just go ahead to start putting them together, doing all that you need to do with all the pieces that you are working with. So I hope you find this video really helpful. If you have been doing this method, let me know in the comments. If you think you're going to try this method and this method is going to work better for you, let me also know in the comment. If you think you prefer having your interfacing on it one instead of batching it just like this, also let me know in the comments. All right, and then if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. All right, dressmakers, I will see you again in the next video.